Michigan winter weather alert.
Snowfall totals coming in are pretty impressive here in West Michigan. These numbers are just in the last 24 hours, and most of these reports also came in before noon this morning. So these are really just Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning numbers. 10 inches in Roosevelt Park, parts of Muskegon, as well as Holland, Coopersville, Hart, Hudsonville, all around 8.5 inches of snow. Even parts of Newaygo County getting 8 inches. Walker also had an impressive 7.5. That really close to the Grand Rapids Metro to see a number like that with this lake effect snow. And then at the Grand Rapids Airport, just 4.2 really shows you the gradient on these snowfall amounts. Now, a few trickling snow showers inland, Howard City off towards Stanton and in Tresson, and one more in Rockford, which does have a pretty good band in it. Otherwise, most of it is set up west of US 131, tracking from north and west to south and east. But the wind is still a little more westerly, and down in Allegan County, Hopkins, Wayland, Martin, Gun Lake, seeing a pretty good band of snow there as well. Definitely reducing visibility and is about to along M89. These showers are extending inland down towards I-69 from Charlotte down to Marshall, but you get north of 96, not much happening in Ionia County. Hour by hour is not going to show much more snowfall. We're still going to see a few bands set up. I would say by 10 or 11 o'clock, the snow really does subside significantly. And we're just left with lake effect clouds. As we head into Friday, notice Milwaukee and Sheboygan, Chicago all clear. If we can lose the moisture here tomorrow, we may get the opportunity for a couple hours of some breaks in the clouds before the next system moves in that will approach us Friday night. Meanwhile, right now it is a gloomy shot here in Muskegon, a tundra now really of ice that is set up and snowpack on the ice as well. Probably not safe enough to walk on given the state. Even though it's been so cold, that snowpack can really insulate it and get a little slushier and melt some spots. Otherwise, there's a break in the cloud here in Montcalm County. Snowpack inland, much less than those along the lakeshore. Again, we're looking at snowpack, Muskegon down to South Haven, anywhere from 10 to 14 inches. Grand Rapids has a snow depth right around 6, and then inland areas 2 to 3 from the snow that we had seen the last week. Temperatures 18 in Allegan, 21 in Grand Rapids. Most areas sitting around 20, with the feels like in the single digits, but hey, at least it's above 0 today. Temperatures overnight tonight falling back to the low teens. It is going to be a chillier start for your Friday, but we are seeing a general trend of starting to warm things up. We're going to get a little warmer here into Saturday, catch a cool down on Sunday. We're starting to see some warm pockets filter in at times here in the forecast. So there is some hope. Not only that, we're looking at 30 on Saturday and the chance to get above freezing potentially on Monday. Monday night into Tuesday really our only focus for measurable snow, as well as Saturday afternoon. But even so, none of these look like more than an inch in total accumulation, so quieter forecast ahead.